Okay, been a real lazy day. I'm still getting over this cough, and I thought I'd just do a rare vlog. 5:15 and I haven't eaten anything really today, so I'm gonna go out and get something to eat. Here in the front parlor, I was shooting a still for Instagram, and I got a new DVD player, or Blu-ray, and the new Star Wars set. So yeah, I'll be watching that later after I come back home and from dinner. Here's the muge, still waiting for final shaping and drilling. I wanted to do that days ago, but I've been coughing so much that just really I wasn't in the mood to do it, and I'm still feeling a little ill. I've been considering using this orange shock cord to tie up the muge once it's finished, but yeah, we'll see how that looks. Excuse me. Yeah, so I was just in Best Buy getting this HDMI cable, and while I was inside, the air conditioning in there was so dry, it started making me cough again. Now that I'm outside, the air is a lot more, or at least the humidity is more balanced. So now I'm gonna go get something to eat. Here we are, coming up on it. Oh yeah. Bombay Garden. Oh yeah. I'm sad. Tree fell down.
Coco se fue, güey. Yo nunca he dicho ningún comentario delante de nadie de ellos, pero hoy me voy a atrever a hacerlo. Así que si fuera alguna consecuencia, yo sé que fue. 70% de mi atención está en ser diamante, 30% en la selección está por eso yo también ya quiero el siguiente sucesor.
Okay, just finished my Indian dinner, and let's say goodbye. Bye bye. And now on my way to get some coffee. Here we are, my favorite coffee shop. Hi, I'd like a large mocha, no whip. That's it. I think it's pretty neat that they roast their own coffee. I've moved outside because I'm just coughing too much. I'm just gonna use this coffee to melt the mucus in my throat. Hopefully, it's actually kind of nice out here. Clouds are coming in. Yeah. Coffee. Alright, I just finished, wow, my throat's getting really, croaky at the moment. Anyway, I finished hooking up the, Blu-ray player. You can see it right there. Here's the player, and here's my box set of the new Star Wars. And, yeah. So, there's my big TV. And there's my dual screen computer. That's what I use for editing my videos. But right now I'm just updating some antivirus software and just reading some news. And I'm getting ready to watch Star Wars. Yeah. So I really want to get back into finishing up the Muge and practice. I haven't been able to practice effectively for almost a little more than 2 weeks, other than the seminar that I went to earlier this month. I haven't been able to practice much because I haven't been able to breathe properly because of this upper respiratory infection I've got, and the bronchitis that followed after. So hang in there. I'll be 100%, hopefully sooner than later. Yeah, but sci-fi geek that I am, I'm going to enjoy this here Star Wars and Blu-ray, and catch you guys later.